Hi guys! Okay, so today I wanted to film a get ready with me as I'm going to a wedding video. And to clarify, no, this is not my wedding. I've gone to a handful of weddings in the past few months and I'm going to a few in the next few months. And my routine's been the same in the makeup that I've been wearing and also the same dress and leather jacket that I've been wearing throughout all of them. So I wanted to show you guys a little bit of what I do to get ready for events like weddings or a prom or a nice event, and hopefully it inspires you in some sort of way. I'm going to rewind. I'm doing everything out of order and I'll redo my makeup to show you how I do it, and then I'll do my hair, and then I'll show you my outfit, and then we'll peace on out. So we're going to go ahead and get started and let's get rolling. Okay, so the things that I applied to my face before diving into makeup, oh my gosh, I just knocked this down. I grabbed some green tea seed serum by Innisfree, and I'm just trying this out, but I like it so far. I'm putting it on right after I cleanse, and then right after that I follow up with the Neutrogena Healthy Defense Daily Moisturizer with sunscreen. And then the last third thing that I did was Dr. Jart BB cream. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this Too Faced primer, eyeshadow primer. I'm just using the Naked palette to apply my eyeshadow. It's honestly the one eyeshadow palette that I use all the time. So I'm going to start off with the shade Naked and just put that all over my lids. It's a great matte base before diving into some of those deeper and more shimmery colors. And I'm by no means a beauty professional, so take it with a grain of salt maybe, the makeup steps that I proceed with, and if there's something that's what you're not supposed to do, oops. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with a more pink shimmery, it's a pretty light color called Sin, and I like putting this on the inner, or in the inner half of my lids. It helps brighten up my eyes. And then on the outer half, I'm going to go ahead, I'm honestly just going to use the same brush, and I'm going to flip it to the other side and follow through with Sidecar, which is also a pretty shimmery taupe color. And do that on the outer half of the lids. Now this is where things get a little bit fun, but because I don't really have a deep crease, I'm going to sort of create one. But I'm going to use this brown color Buck and follow that on the outer corner and then go into where my crease actually is. And once I finish with that, I'm going to take a darker color and create a little bit more depth. So I'm looking for my brush. I'm going to go ahead and use Smog, which is a dark bronze shimmery color, and I'm going to focus everything on that outer corner of my eye. And then the last shade I'm going to use, I'm actually going to go back with that fluffy brush, and I'm going to use Dark Horse, which is the darkest color that I'm doing with this look. I'm going to focus on the outer corner, but more just like the bottom, closer to the lid. And this is, yeah, the darkest it's going to go. I honestly don't wear eyeshadow every day, and Dark Horse is a really beautiful color to use when you're going for a deeper look. Okay, and then I'm just going to go ahead and blend everything together. What I love about the Naked palette is I feel like there's so many different looks that you can do with just this one palette, and you don't really need to be a professional to make your eyeshadow look good. Like, I by no means am a professional, but yeah, this palette's helped me a lot as I've walked through my makeup journey. I'm going to use my finger and go in with Virgin, which is the lightest color. It's a great highlighter color. You don't even have to use it for just eyeshadow. It's easy to highlight on the face too, but I'm going to take it and with my finger just apply it to the inner corner of my eyes to brighten it up a little bit. I'm going to just take it to the top to help enhance the arch of my eyebrows. I'm going to go ahead and take this eyeliner that I have been using. It's the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner, which means it's the brush tip, not the felt tip. I've had felt tip for a while, the past eyeliners that I've used, so I want to try the brush tip and see how I like it. But it helps with precision, and it's also super waterproof, which is great because with my small fold above my eye, it tends to smear really easily and I look like a panda. This one gets compared a lot to the Stila one, which I really like. I would say if you're looking for something that's got a much more pigmented color, I would go for the Stila. But I think I found for precision, this one is a lot better. The Stila one always has this little like fuzzy hair. I don't know if anyone else has experienced that. There's this little like fuzzy hair at the tip of it, and then when I'm trying to do it, it always like smears and ruins my eyeshadow. Okay, eyeliner is done. I'm gonna go back in actually with my Naked palette and with a more angled defined brush. I'm going to put some darker, or not darker, I'm going to go ahead and put some of that Dark Horse on the lower lash line. I'm going to grab some gel eyeliner. I'm using the Maybelline Eye Studio gel eyeliner. I've used this since high school and it's super affordable. It lasts forever. Way cheaper than like the Bobbi Brown one, which I've heard really great things about, but I've never gotten around to buying it because I think it's like 3 times as expensive as the Maybelline one. But I'm just going to tightline and then try and get in between my little lash hairs. When I'm doing my everyday makeup, honestly, I will just tightline and then throw some mascara on and call it a day. So it's great in helping just like make your eyes pop. And I'm going to take my eyelash curler, and today we will be using the Maybelline Rocket Volume Express mascara in Waterproof Berry Black. I don't know if I've mentioned this in another video, but I've stopped curling my eyelashes every day. I heard that combined with using waterproof mascara is not so great for your lashes. I just don't want to be 50 with no lashes. So dig in from the root and go up. This is my favorite mascara of all time. And then bottom lashes. I'm just going to take a Q-tip really quick and pick up any of that extra. And then I'm going to grab some highlighter. Actually, there's this other one that I've been trying that we're going to do instead for being impromptu. Where did it go? It's one that my roommate gave me, and it's called, the brand is Becca. If anyone's used this highlighter, let me know how you normally apply it. Contouring, I think, is something that I find really intimidating. So if that's the same for you, I've learned just follow the 3B formation and on the sides of your nose, and you're good to go. And we're going to go in with my favorite Tarte blush, but unfortunately it is shattered because it dropped and it all broke into pieces, but that doesn't mean that you have to throw it away. You can still use it. The Tarte Amazonian blush is super pigmented, so you don't need a lot for it to show. One thing you might notice is I didn't put a powder on. I find that I don't really need powder, or I don't prefer it. I think it might have been good to use in this look. especially if you're taking a lot of photos, and BB cream tends to be a little bit more shiny, but I just prefer not to use it, so it's really up to you what you want to use, but I just didn't use it in this look. And then I'm gonna go in with the Benefit Gimme Brow spoolie brush. I've got pretty big eyebrows, and I like the more natural look, so I don't prefer to make them super dark, but this product is great because it helps define the shape a little bit and add some color, fill it in, but it's nothing too crazy. And then last thing I'm going to use is the Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Color. I like this lip product because it lasts a super long time and it's really pretty. This is my favorite color. It's like a nudie pink, but it stays on for the longest time. Okay, I think that's it. I'm hoping I'm not missing anything. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my curling iron real quick and then we'll curl some hair. Okay, so I went ahead and curled my hair. What I used is I think it's the brand is Remington. I've used this since high school, so I forget the brand. But it's just this pink wand in the size, the 1/4 inch one. You can get it at Target. I did film how I curl my hair, and this is just like my day-to-day too, but the video was too long, so I'm gonna go ahead and make a new video that just shows you how I curl my hair day to day and also for this specific look. But yeah, I'll just link that video down below so you can see it if you are interested. But we're gonna go ahead and transition to the outfit that I've been wearing to a lot of the events that I've been going to recently. Okay, transition. And then this is the outfit that I put together. Honestly, I've been going to a handful of different events and I've got some coming up this winter and spring, so this is the outfit that I'm probably just gonna wear for all of them. I found this wraparound dress from Clad & Cloth. I really love it. It's green, the print is beautiful, the sleeves are super flattering, and the length too. So it's probably a dress that I'm going to be wearing a lot. And then I paired it with this leather jacket that I got from American Eagle. They have it on clearance, I believe, right now, but I would double check. And I just think it's a great jacket to pair with a dress like this, with jeans, any sort of type of outfit. It's super versatile. And then I also have this DE Timepieces watch that I got years ago. It's cracked and the strap is broken, but I still wear it because I think a brown leather watch is always a great accessory to so many different outfits. I also have this Kate Spade bag. I think it's the perfect size to put a couple different things that you need for an event like a wedding, prom, whatever, but you don't have to feel like you're carrying too much. I'm wearing this necklace from Anthropologie that I got during the holidays from a friend. Just think it's super dainty and really beautiful to piece together with an outfit like this. And then lastly, on the bottom, I'm just wearing, don't mind my nail polish, it's like 2 months old, but I'm just wearing these sandals that I got from Target. I think it's the perfect height to dance and walk around in for the whole day, but you're still super comfortable. And it's just got really cute ties at the bottom. So that is my outfit. I hope you guys got some inspiration or found a piece in this video that you liked. If you enjoyed watching this video or any of the other videos that I've put together, go ahead and hit like or subscribe to my channel. Yeah, I love putting together these videos, so I hope that they bless you in some sort of way. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Bye.